We delve deep into the intelligent manufacturing of steel silos, uphold exquisite craftsmanship and quality, and set industry benchmarks for warehousing projects. As an original professional manufacturer of steel silos, we own standardized in-house workshops, a full range of advanced processing equipment, and a complete production system. From premium raw material procurement to finished product delivery, we conduct independent production and full process quality control, delivering true one-stop customized manufacturing services for steel silos. Our factory features a neat layout and well-defined production areas. The workshops are fully equipped with CNC automated processing machines, including laser cutters, CNC plate rolling machines, laser pipe cutters, CNC pipe benders, beveling machines, oscillating knife cutting machines, and other high-end production facilities. Our state-of-the-art equipment replaces the traditional extensive processing methods, ensuring high machining precision, tight component fitting, and reliable overall product performance, building a solid hardware foundation for premium steel silo production. Every qualified steel silo is crafted via standardized and rigorous production procedures. We enforce strict quality control over raw materials from the very start, selecting high-quality national standard steel. During production, CNC equipment performs precise blanking and cutting, guaranteeing accurate dimensions and controlled tolerances for every steel plate. All components are welded following standard procedures. The welds are even, full, firm, and compact, greatly improving the silo's tightness, wind resistance, pressure resistance, and service life. Subsequent processes, including fine polishing, rust removal, and anti-corrosion treatment, as well as surface painting protection, comprehensively boost the silo's rust and water resistance. Suitable for grain, feed, building materials, chemical materials, and more. For long-term outdoor use in diverse storage scenarios, we adopt standardized production management. Every procedure is monitored by dedicated staff and inspected at multiple levels. From plate processing and component forming to final assembly and testing, the entire process is traceable and manageable, keeping defective products off the market. Backed by mature production lines and ample production capacity, we undertake custom orders for steel silos of all sizes. Whether it is a single small storage silo or a large-scale integrated warehousing project, we ensure efficient production and on-time delivery, fully meeting clients' demands for bulk customization and rush orders. Superb craftsmanship creates superior silos. Outstanding quality wins the market. Advanced equipment, standardized workflows, stringent quality control, and standardized delivery procedures are our promises to every client. Going forward, we will stay committed to ingenuity in manufacturing, with reliable product quality, solid production capability, and comprehensive after-sales support. We will provide global clients with high-quality, durable, and fully adaptable total solutions for steel silos.